Hey guys, Kyle Blythe, J.Racenstein. If you're doing solar panel cleaning and you're looking for answers on RO water, how much RO water you're going to need in order to be able to clean with RO water and rinse at the same time and not have to use tap water or try to rinse afterward, you may be using a water foot pull, well, this system is going to be the answer to being able to use RO water with your rotating solar brushes without having to come back after and rinse. All right, so this system's got dual ROs and a booster pump. It's going to produce up to 3 gallons a minute of RO water into a tank. You hold that in a 50-gallon tank and you draw from that with this delivery pump. This is going to push over 3 gallons, 3.5 gallons a minute of water to the brush. So whether you're going to be using an electric solar brush or a gas-powered one, a water-powered one with like a small gas pressure washer, this is going to produce more RO water and be able to deliver more RO water than either one of those is going to be able to consume. So what you're going to be able to do is produce RO water from tap, put it into a tank, clean and rinse at the same exact time with your rotating solar brush without having to come back afterward and try to rinse it off.